rich areas.
Na serikali kupitia Wizara ya Ardhi imetakiwa kuingilia kati suala la ardhi iliyoko karibu na shirika la reli hapa Nairobi ambayo inadaiwa kunyakuliwa na watu binafsi kwa ushirikiano na wakuu fulani kwenye shirika la Kenya Railways. Ripoti zimearifu kuwepo kwa njama hiyo ya unyakuzi wa ardhi inayotenganisha kampuni ya BAT na ABM eneo la Industrial Area, ambapo sasa wakuu wa kampuni hizo mbili wamehimiza serikali kuangazia swala hilo ili kuzuia unyakuzi wowote.
We feel that the current construction is affecting our operations and compromising our raw materials. We have not been given any documentation by the contractors to confirm why the construction is going on. So we would like this to stop immediately, pending verification of their documents and any licenses that they have. So we don't want to see a scenario where trucks show up and then there's a lot of construction going on affecting our business environment, and we are not very sure what they are doing.
As per procedure by the law, for an extension work like this to be done, number one, we ought to have an EIA, environmental impact assessment, done, which is supposed to be shared by to the neighbors, that is BAT, Molting, and ABM, which was not actually done.
Because initially there's a time that thieves were entering to our facility, coming from the other side of Makongeni. And now that the road has been opened, we feel that there's going to be security issues regarding the place.
Na mtazamaji, kufikia hapo